In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Emoji Toolbar in Obsidian Mobile. If you take notes on the go, emojis can be a quick way to tag status, add visual cues, or make headers pop. We'll install the Emoji Toolbar plugin, turn it on, and wrap up by assigning a handy hotkey so you can open it instantly. Start by opening Obsidian on your phone or tablet and make sure you're in the vault where you want to use the plugin. Give the app a moment to load your notes. From the main screen, look toward the top and tap the small box icon. This opens the panel that leads you into app preferences and tools you'll need for plugins. At the bottom of that panel, tap the settings gear. You're now in the place where all plugin management happens. Scroll until you see community plugins. Open it, then tap browse to access the plugin directory. In the search bar, type Emoji Toolbar. Spelling matters here, so type it exactly, and make sure you have an internet connection so results appear. When you find Emoji Toolbar, tap Install. Once installation completes, tap Enable. After enabling, many users see an emoji button appear near the editor toolbar or above the keyboard in edit mode. If you don't see it immediately, return to a note, switch to edit mode, and tap once in the editor to bring up the keyboard. The toolbar should appear when the editor is active. To make it even faster to open, set a hotkey. In Settings, open the hotkey options for Emoji Toolbar and choose a shortcut that won't conflict with others. On mobile, hotkeys are most useful with a hardware keyboard, like on a tablet. Pick something memorable and simple, and avoid keys already used for common actions. If your device doesn't support hardware shortcuts, rely on the on-screen toolbar button instead. That's it. You've opened Obsidian, navigated to Settings, found Community Plugins, browsed for Emoji Toolbar, installed and enabled it, and set a hotkey. Now you can drop in emojis for tags, timelines, and quick visual markers without breaking your writing flow.